Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Hub family, your go-to place for all things cars, reviews, and everything you need to know about the latest models. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss out on the exciting content we bring to you every week. Today, we're checking out the 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe, and trust me, this SUV is turning heads for all the right reasons. Let's dive into what makes this new Santa Fe one of the most exciting family SUVs of the year. Segment 1. Introduction to the 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe. Host. The 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe is a complete redesign, bringing a fresh, bold look and a ton of new features. Whether you're looking for an SUV that's spacious, efficient, or packed with tech, the Santa Fe is here to offer it all. So, let's go ahead and take a closer look at what you can expect from this stunning midsize SUV. Segment 2. Exterior design. Cut to shots of the Santa Fe from different angles, highlighting the new design. Host. Let's talk about the exterior first. The 2025 Santa Fe has really stepped up its game with a more aggressive, yet sophisticated look. The front fascia is highlighted by a striking new grille, paired with sharp LED headlights that give it a modern, futuristic vibe. The bold lines running along the body of the SUV add a sense of movement, making it feel dynamic and ready for any adventure. Host. And that rear end, Hyundai has made sure that the 2025 Santa Fe doesn't just look good from the front. With sleek taillights and a clean design, the back of the Santa Fe is just as attractive. It's clear that Hyundai is aiming for a luxury-inspired look without a luxury price tag. Segment 3. Interior features. Tech. Cut to footage of the interior, showing the seating, tech, and controls. Host. Now, stepping inside, the 2025 Santa Fe truly shines. Hyundai has reworked the interior to make it feel more spacious and premium. The centerpiece, a large 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that seamlessly integrates with Hyundai's Blue Link system for easy navigation and control. Host. And for all you tech lovers, this SUV comes packed with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even wireless charging, so you're never without connectivity on the go. Plus, there's an available surround view camera system, making parking in tight spaces easier than ever. Host. Comfort is a priority here as well. With available leather seating, heated and ventilated seats, and a choice of spacious layouts, whether you're driving or riding shotgun, you're in for a comfy ride. Segment 4. Performance powertrains. Cut to the car driving on the road, highlighting different driving angles. Host. Now, when it comes to performance, Hyundai offers a variety of options. The 2025 Santa Fe comes standard with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that's perfect for daily driving. But if you want more power, you can opt for the available turbocharged 2.5-liter engine, which offers a serious performance boost. Host. And for those of you who want to reduce your carbon footprint without sacrificing power, Hyundai is offering hybrid and plug-in hybrid options. These give you excellent fuel efficiency while still providing plenty of punch when you need it. Host. Whichever engine you choose, the Santa Fe is designed to deliver a smooth and quiet ride, with plenty of torque for those highway merges or weekend getaways. Segment 5. Safety features. Cut to close-up shots of safety features like sensors, cameras, and the rear-view camera display. Host. Let's not forget about safety. Hyundai's Smart Sense suite is packed with advanced safety features that give you peace of mind on every drive. Standard features include forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, blind spot collision avoidance, and rear cross-traffic collision avoidance. Host. Plus, for those tight parking situations, the available surround view camera system offers a 360-degree view around your vehicle, making it much easier to maneuver. And with a strong set of airbags and a reinforced body structure, you're well protected no matter where the road takes you. Segment 6. Pricing conclusion. Cut to host standing beside the car, smiling. Host. So, what can you expect to pay for all these amazing features? The 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe starts at around $30,000, and depending on the trim and options you choose, the price can go up from there. But considering the high level of technology, comfort, and safety packed into this SUV. It's definitely worth every penny. Host: overall, the 2025 Santa Fe is an outstanding choice for anyone looking for a family-friendly SUV that doesn't compromise on style, performance, or technology. Whether you're commuting to work, taking a road trip, or running errands, the Santa Fe will keep you comfortable, connected, and safe. Outro. Host: so, there you have it, the 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe. What do you think? Is this the SUV you've been waiting for? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think. And if you enjoyed this review, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Car Hub Family for more reviews, car news, and much more. Host: thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay safe, keep driving, and remember, a family road trip's just got a whole lot more fun with the 2025 Santa Fe.